How to log in into Perkbox Employee Portal. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through the step on how to log in into Perkbox Employee Portal. So let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in Perkbox Employee Login and hit enter. Click on the first link that appears in the search result. This will take you towards the login page. On the login page, enter your email address and password. If you have forgotten your password, click on the forgot password link to reset it and follow the on-screen instruction. And that's it. You have successfully logged in into Perkbox Employee Portal. Now you can enjoy various features such as accessing your benefits, exploring exclusive perks, and engaging with the wellness resources. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. See you on the next video.